What to do when a patient refuses care? It can feel painful when you are trying to help someone and they refuse your care again and again without explanation. It may even feel personal, but refusal is rarely about you. It often comes from fear, discomfort, confusion, or a deep sense of lost control. Understanding this changes how you respond. Step 1. Stay calm and avoid arguing because pressure increases resistance instead of solving the problem. Your tone can either ease them or escalate the situation. Step 2. Try to understand the reason behind their refusal, whether it is pain, confusion, embarrassment, or emotional distress. Listen more than you speak. Step 3. Offer choices instead of instructions, giving them a sense of control over decisions. Even small choices can make a big difference. Step 4. Break tasks into smaller steps so they feel less overwhelming and easier to accept. One step at a time feels manageable. Step 5. Use gentle reassurance, reminding them you are there to support, not force them. Trust builds slowly through consistency. Step 6. Respect their dignity because feeling powerless can lead to strong resistance. Always protect their sense of self. Step 7. Stay away if needed and try again later with patience. Timing can change their willingness completely. There will be moments when you feel rejected, like your efforts are not appreciated. It's natural to feel hurt or frustrated in such situations. Take a pause, breath, and remind yourself the bigger picture. But they are not rejecting you. They are reacting to their situation. Your patience becomes the bridge between the resistance and trust. And sometimes understanding their silence and waiting with compassion matters more than trying to win the moment immediately.